Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Mr. Irish Television. All right, here we are in Mr. Harrington's class, working on distributive property and combining like terms. Okay, so put your date in the corner right here. 11/30/21. Nice job. Write this down. And now example 1. 2y plus 7 times the quantity 2y minus 3. We need to simplify all these. Those would be the directions. Simplify. We're not solving because there's no equal sign. So we're just simplifying it. Step 1 is always distribute. We got to get this down because today during class is going to be even more complicated. You got to make sure you know this because I'm adding something else today in class. So let's do it. Next one is combine like terms. Okay. So look here. Do I see distributive property? Yeah, I do. Bop, bop, bop. So I got 2y. That's doing nothing. Just bringing that down. 7 times 2y is 14y. 7 times, this is a 3, negative 3 is negative 21. Okay, so we distributed. What's the next step? Combine like terms. Combine like terms. So what are the like terms? 2y and 14y. Negative 21, there's no y next to it, so I don't combine it. 2y plus 14. 2 plus 14 is 16. Y minus 21. There we go. So I combine like terms. This one's not a like term, so just bring it down. There we go. 16y minus 21. Cool. Let's do another one. Example 2. 8 plus 2x minus 1 times 7. Uh-oh. So the 7 is right here. What is it doing over here? It could be over here. But it doesn't really matter because when you multiply, 2 times 1 and 1 times 2 is the same thing. So it doesn't matter the order when you multiply. So this is just trying to trick you because this 7 is on the outside, on the right side rather than the left side like we're used to. So 7 was on the left side here. It don't matter. So I'm just going to bring the 8 down like normal. 7 times 2x and 7 times negative 1. 7 times 2x is, 14x. Cool. 7 times negative 1 is, negative 7. Okay, so we distribute it. Next, combine like terms. So 8, that's positive 8 minus 7. 8 minus 7. The 14x is different term because that's a different variable. 8 minus 7 is 1, positive 1. There we go, 14x plus 1. Cool, got it. All right, let's keep cruising. Uh-oh, they keep getting more challenging. Example 3. Write it down. Negative 3 times 3x minus 5 plus 8x. All right. First, distribute. Ba, 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 ba. Okay. Negative 3 times 3x. Negative times a positive. Remember, if you get stuck, you can always do this. Draw the triangle. A negative times a positive. So you carve off the negative and positive, and you have a negative left. You have a negative left right there. So that's negative 9x. Negative 3 times negative 5. A negative times a negative, cover those up, and you get a positive. Negative times negative, positive. So that's going to be positive 15 plus 8x, bringing that down. Okay. Negative 9x and 8x, those are the like terms. So negative 9 plus 8 is what? Negative 1x. 15 doesn't have anything to combine to, so it's just chilling. If you want to write it this way, negative x plus 15, that's also a good way because the 1 is always implied. You never really write the 1. It's always there. So it's there, but it's kind of hidden. There we go. All right. You try one. Oh, damn, look at this. Example 4. I think you can do it. Here we go. Negative 8y plus 4 times the quantity 3y plus 3 minus 5. All right, you try the whole thing. Ready, set, go. All right, let's try it. So first you need to distribute. Ba, 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 ba. This negative 8y, not part of it. 4 times 3y is 12y. 4 times positive 3 is positive 12. And then the negative 5 was not part of the distributive property, so I'm just going to bring it down. All right, combining like terms. Negative 8y and 12y. So 12 minus 8 is 4y. 12 minus 5 is positive 7. 4y plus 7. Hopefully you got that. Good work. All right. Good job. Let's keep going. Uh-oh, look at this one. Kind of one from yesterday. See if you can do it. 16 minus 3 times the quantity n plus 6. Simplify that. Ready, set, go. All right, let's see what we got. So the key thing with this is you have to distribute the negative 3, not really just 3. And we don't subtract those first. We always do multiplication first in PEMDAS. So I got a negative. So let's take, this is a positive 16. There's not a positive there. That's implied. The 16 is just there. Negative 3 times n is negative 3n. Negative 3 times 6 is negative 18. A negative times a positive. A negative times a positive is a negative. There we go. Okay. Damn. So I have positive 16 and negative 18. And negative 3n, that one is not a like term, so I'm just going to bring that down. 16 minus 18. So if I have $16 and I lose 18, that would be, I'm down 2. So 3n, negative 3n minus 2, if you want to write it this way. That's also cool. So both of these are acceptable. Hopefully you got those two right. Good work. Keep practicing. Excellent job, everybody. Keep doing it.